Here are some side hustles you can start today. Freelancing in your expertise. What? Offer services like graphic design, writing, or programming based on skills you already have. How? Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients. Scalability. Build a portfolio, and this could grow into a full-time business. Content creation, YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. What? Create videos or blogs in areas you're passionate about, lifestyle, education, etc. How? Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Scalability. Over time, this can grow into a substantial source of income if you build a strong audience. E-commerce, Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon FBA. Sell products, either handmade, Etsy, or via dropshipping, Shopify, Amazon FBA. How? Create an online store and start selling items. Scalability. E-commerce has high potential for growth, but requires market research and consistent effort. Online courses or coaching. What? Teach a subject you're skilled in, such as fitness, coding, or photography. How? Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to sell courses or offer coaching via Zoom. Scalability. Courses offer passive income once created, while coaching can grow via referrals. Social media management. What? Help businesses manage their social media accounts. How? Offer content management or marketing services to clients using platforms like Buffer or Canva. Scalability. You can grow by taking on more clients or eventually managing a small agency, pet sitting or dog walking. What? Offer pet sitting or dog walking services to busy pet owners. How? Sign up on Rover or Wag or advertise locally. Scalability. Primarily a local side hustle, but you can take on multiple clients or hire help. Tutoring or teaching a language. What? Provide tutoring in subjects you know well or teach a language. How? Platforms like Preply or VIP Kid allow you to teach online. Scalability. Flexible and scalable by increasing hours or taking on more students. Rental income, Airbnb, car rental, equipment rental. What? Rent out property, Airbnb, vehicles, Turo, or equipment like cameras. How? Use platforms to list your assets and generate passive income. Scalability. You can scale by acquiring additional properties or items. Handyman services. What? Offer handyman services like repairs, furniture assembly, or gardening. How? Use TaskRabbit or advertise locally to find clients. Scalability. Start small and expand by building a client base or hiring others. Selling digital products. What? Create and sell digital goods like templates, planners, or printables. How? Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad allow you to list digital products. Scalability. Digital products can generate passive income once made.